Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan meringue. First, gather your aquafaba, which is the liquid from a can of chickpeas. This amazing ingredient acts just like egg whites. You'll also need cream of tartar, which is crucial for stabilizing the aquafaba and helping it achieve that perfect, fluffy consistency. Ensure all your equipment is spotless and grease-free for the best results. Now, let's get whipping. Pour your aquafaba into a very clean stand mixer bowl. Using the whisk attachment, start whipping on medium-high speed. You'll notice it becoming foamy and opaque. Once soft peaks start to form, slowly begin adding your granulated sugar, a little at a time. This gradual addition helps the sugar dissolve properly and integrate smoothly into the mixture. Keep whipping the mixture until it becomes very glossy and forms stiff peaks that stand up on their own. This can take about 10 to 15 minutes. At this point, you can gently fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or any other flavorings you desire. Remember, a clean bowl and whisk are essential. Even a tiny bit of grease can prevent your aquafaba from whipping properly. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful vegan meringues. Pipe them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them at a low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 1 to 2 hours, or until they are crisp. Turn off the oven and let them cool completely inside. Store your finished meringues in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week to maintain their crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.